Good morning, my dear students. So, I gave you the summary of the short story The Tiger King, which is written by Kulki. Today, I am going to teach you the short story line by line. So, before we are going to read the short story line by line, one question arises here that what is the general attitude of human beings towards wild animals? So, মানুহৰ সাধাৰণ ভিউ এটিটিউড ব্যৱহাৰ জন্তুবিলাকৰ প্ৰতি কি এইটো এটা প্ৰশ্ন দিছ ইজ ওৱান কুৱেশ্যন asked by the writer, the author, to us, to the reader. What is the general attitude of human beings towards wild animal? বনৰুৱা জন্তুবিলাকৰ প্ৰতি সাধাৰণ মানুহবিলাকৰ সাধাৰণ ভিউ সাধাৰণ এটিটিউড ব্যৱহাৰ কি This is a question asked by the writer to the reader. So, we will be able to find out the answer after reading the short story. So, let's start the short story line by line. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamindar General Khiledar Major Sata Vigara Samahari Maharaja Dhiraja Vishwa Bhuvana Samrat Sar Jilani Jungjung Bahadur MAD ACTC or CRCK, but his name is often shortened to the Tiger King. So here we find that the hero of the short story is the Maharaja is Pratibandhapuram. So he is identified as His Highness. তেওঁক মানে জনা যায় কি হিচাপে জনা যায় জমেদাৰ জেনেৰেল বুলিও তেওঁক জনা যায় খিলেদাৰ মেজৰ ছাতা বিগাৰা সমাহাৰী মহাৰাজা ধীৰাজা বিশ্বভূষণা সম্রাট স্যার জিলানি জুংজুং বাহাদুর MAD ACTC or RCCK. These are the names of the king of Pratibandhapuram. He is basically identified by these names. The names are, I told you, but his name is often shortened as the Tiger King. যদিও বা তেওঁক বিভিন্ন নামেৰে জনা যায় কিন্তু তেওঁক চমুকে বাঘৰ ৰজা বুলি জনা যায় বাঘ ৰজা বুলি জনা যায় Next, I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Even the threat of Stuka bomber will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. Here we find that the writer started his writing in the first person pronoun as a autobiographical tone we have found here. That the writer told that I have no intent, I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. So writer কৈছে যে মই আপোনালোকক ফৰৱাৰ্ড কৰি আছো, জনাই আছো যাতে কিয় ৰজাক বাঘ ৰজা বুলি জনা যায়. Again the writer told us that he doesn't have any intention of pretending in advance to make an end of the story with a strategic withdrawal from the story. Even he told us that the treat of Stoker Bomber will not throw me out. Even he told to us that he will not come back from the story like the Stoker Bomber, that Stoker Bomber cannot throw him out from the story. ৰাইটাৰে কৈছে যে কেৱলমাত্ৰ সমাপ্তি ঘটাবৰ বাবে ষ্ট্ৰোকাৰ বম্বাৰৰ নিচিনা বা সমৰ কলাৰ দৰে পিছুৱাইবলৈ মিছা উপায় ওলোৱাটো ৰাইটাৰৰ কোনো ধৰণৰ উদ্দেশ্য নাই. The stoker, if it likes, again the writer told that the stoker, that is the bomber, stoker means it's a Junker Ju 87, a gull winged single engine German dive bomber used in World War II. So he give a reference to them that even the stoker, if it likes, can beat hasty retreat from a story. তেওঁ আবার কৈছে যে ষ্ট্ৰোকাৰ বম্বাৰে ৰাইটাৰক তেওঁ যিটো ট্ৰেকত আছে আমাক ষ্টৰিটো কৈ আছে তাৰে পৰা বাহিৰলৈ ৰাইটাৰক উলিয়াই দিব নোৱাৰে. ইভেন ষ্ট্ৰোকাই যদি বিচাৰে, দ্য ষ্ট্ৰোকাৰ বম্বাৰ যদি বিচাৰে, তেওঁ ৰাইটাৰৰ কাহিনীৰ পৰা অসন্তুষ্ট অতি শীঘ্ৰে আঁতৰি যাব পাৰে. So the writer told us that the stoker can, if he dislikes my story, can go back from my story in a hasty manner. Right at the start. So let us start. It is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. তাৰপিছত ৰাইটাৰে কৈছে যে আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ সময়ত তেওঁ এইটো এটা দৰকাৰী কথা উল্লেখ কৰিছে যে বাঘ ৰজাৰ এটা অতি উল্লেখযোগ্য কথা, বাঘ ৰজাৰ বিষয়ে, টাইগাৰ কিঙৰ বিষয়ে অধ্যয়ন কৰা প্ৰত্যেকেই, এভৰিবডি, এজন দুৰ্জয় দুজন ব্যক্তিক মুখামুখিকৈ লগ কৰি অভিজ্ঞতা এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ আৰ্ণ কৰিবলৈ স্বাভাৱিকতে আগ্ৰহ কৰিব। But there is no chance of its fulfillment. So there is no chance of fulfillment. কিন্তু এইটো পূৰণ হোৱাৰ কোনো সুযোগ ইয়াতে নাই। As Bharata said to Rama about Dasarath, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. দশরথ তোর বিষয়ে ভৰতে ৰামক কোৱাৰ কিঙে সকলো লিভিং এনিমেল বিলাকৰ শেষ আশ্ৰয়স্থল পাইছিল। So as Bharat said to Ram about Dasarath that the Tiger King has reached the final destination of all living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. So in other words, the Tiger King is dead. That is that as Bharat said to Rama about Dasaratha that the Tiger King has reached that final destination of all living creatures. That means all the living creatures will have to die one day. In the same manner, the Tiger King also has reached his final destination, that is the death. Now the writer is going to describe how the Tiger King was dead. He also turns a reference of Dasaratha, Rama, Bharata, that in Bharat said to Rama that about Dasarath, the Tiger King has reached his final destination like the all living creatures. Now we will find that how the death was occurred to the Tiger King. Next stanza. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. So the manner in which the Tiger King was died is a matter of extraordinary interest, not a normal interest. It has a extraordinary interest. It revealed, so it can be revealed এটু কোয়া যায় যে only at the end of the tale the Tiger King's death was occurred. How it was occurred, it can be revealed at the end of the story. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. So here the writer told that the most fantastic aspect of the death of the Tiger King was that whenever the Tiger King was born, the astrologers said that one day the Tiger king would also have to die like the all living creatures. যেতিয়া টাইগাৰ কিঙৰ জন্ম হৈছিলে তেতিয়া এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰবিলাকে এটা ভৱিষ্যতবাণী কৈছিলে যে টাইগাৰ কিঙৰো এদিন মৃত্যু হ'ব লাইক অল লিভিং ক্ৰিয়েচাৰ্ছ। সকলো জীৱিত বস্তুবিলাকৰ যে মৃত্যু হয় ঠিক তেনেকৈ টাইগাৰ কিঙৰো এদিন মৃত্যু হ'ব। এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰবিলাকে এই ফৰটলটো কৈছিলে, ভৱিষ্যতবাণী কৈছিলে। The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions. So here the fortune of the astrologers is that means the child, the tiger king, will grow up to become the warrior of warriors. তেওঁ যোদ্ধাবিলাকৰ ওপৰত বহুত ভাল যোদ্ধা তেওঁ হ'ব পাৰিব। হিৰোজ অফ হিৰোজ, হিৰোবিলাকৰ হিৰো হ'ব পাৰিব। চেম্পিয়নবিলাকৰো চেম্পিয়ন হ'ব। বাট what happened? But they beat their lips and swallowed hard. এইখিনি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে যে তেওঁলোকে কি কৈছিলে যে সিহঁতো যোদ্ধাৰো মহাযোদ্ধা হ'ব, নায়কৰো মহানায়ক হ'ব, চেম্পিয়নৰো চেম্পিয়নছ হ'ব, এইবিলাক তেওঁ হ'ব পাৰিব। কিন্তু শব্দটো কোৱাৰ লগে লগে এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰবিলাকৰ ওঠৰ ওঠবোৰ কঁপি উঠিছিল আৰু কণ্ঠৰুদ্ধ when compelled to continue, when the astrologers were compelled to continue the foretold, then the astrologers came out with it. যেতিয়ালৈকে এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰবিলাকক জ্যোতিষীবিলাকক মানে আগলৈ কোৱাৰ কাৰণে কম্পেল কৰা হৈছিলে তেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে ক'বলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰিলে। তেওঁলোকে কি ক'লে? that this is a secret which should not be revealed at all. So this is a secret, এইটো এটা গোপন কথা which should not be revealed at all, যিটো আমি প্ৰকাশ কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ। and yet we are forced to speak out, কিন্তু আমাক মানে কোৱাৰ কাৰণে ফ'ৰ্চ কৰা হৈছে। The child born under this star, যিটো ল'ৰাই এই ল'ব, will one day have to meet his death, আৰু এইটো তেওঁ এই পৃথিৱীৰ পৰা বিদায় ল'ব লাগিব। At that very moment a great miracle took place. At that very moment whenever the astrologers were telling that the tiger king will have to die one day and he will become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions, but they stopped, the astrologer stopped to tell the foretold. And whenever they were forced to continue the foretold, they again told, the astrologers again told that this is a secret which cannot be revealed. Even though the astrologers are being forced to speak, then they told that the child that is the tiger king who will born under this star will one day have to meet its death, will one day have to die. At that moment, a great miracle took place. What is the great miracle? An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani Jungjung Bahadur. Oh, wise prophet! Whenever the astrologers were talking about the future of the newborn baby, the child, at that moment, a great miracle took place. What is the great miracle? The miracle is that the 10-day-old child, that is the tiger king, 10-day-old, whenever he born, at the time the year of the age of the child 1 day. At the time he replied to the astrologers, oh wise prophet, তেতিয়া সেই 10 দিনৰ চাইল্ডটো শিশুটোৱে ৰিপ্লাই কৰিছিলে এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰবিলাকক। কি কৈছিলে? অ' ৱাইজ প্ৰফেটছ, সেই জ্ঞানী প্ৰফেটবিলাক, অ' বুদ্ধিমান ভৱিষ্যতবাণী কৰা ব্যক্তিসকল, everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other. Whenever the sound came from the 10-day-old child, everyone become motionless with a shock, with a horror. Everyone stand up, and they were caused to become motionless with horror, with fear, and they were shocked. And everybody present there were looked at each other and blinking. At the time, the 10-day-old child replied, oh wise prophets, it was I who spoke. At the time, the 10-day child spoke that, হে জ্ঞানী ভৱিষ্যত দ্ৰষ্টাসকল, জ্যোতিষীসকল, মই আপোনালোকক কৈছোঁ, ইমান আচৰিত হ'ব নালাগে. Like this, the 10-day-old child speak out. Now it is quite clear that there is no doubt who is speaking about. It is the 10-day-old child who is communicating in a clear voice. At the time, the chief astrologer took his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. যেতিয়া এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰবিলাকে আৰু বাকী মানুহবিলাকে ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ল যে মাত লগোৱা মানুহজন কোনো নহয়, সেই দটোৱে মাতি আছে, তেতিয়া এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰবিলাকৰ চিফ এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰে তেওঁৰ চশমাযোৰ পিন্ধিছে আৰু সেই বাচ্চাটোৰ ফালে বেবিটোৰ ফালে একে লেঠাৰিয়ে চাই আছে। All those who are born will one day have to die. Why don't we don't need your predictions to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of the death. The royal infant uttered this words in his little squeaky voice. তেতিয়া এই 10-দিনীয়া শিশুটোৱে মাত মাতিলে যে আমি সকলোৱে জানো যে মানুহ জন্ম হ'লে মৃত্যু হ'বই, কিন্তু মোৰ জন্ম হৈছে মই মৰিমে এদিনাখন, এইবিলাক প্ৰেডিকশ্যন, এইবিলাক ভৱিষ্যতবাণী আমি আপোনালোকৰ পৰা শুনিব নোখোজোঁ যদি আপুনি আগুৱাই নকয়. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of the death. যদি আপোনালোকে আমাক কয় যে কেনেকুৱাকৈ মৃত্যু হ'ব, কেনেকুৱাকৈ মোৰ মৃত্যু হ'ব, দ্য টাইগাৰ কিঙৰ মৃত্যু হ'ব, সেই মেনাৰটো আপোনালোকে যদি কয় তেতিয়াহে আমি আপোনালোকৰ পৰা শুনিম. এনেকুৱাকৈ the royal infant uttered these words in his little squeaky voice. The royal infant of 10-day-old uttered these words with a little short sound that everybody will have to die one day. We don't have need any predictions from your side to know about, but there would be some sense in it, there would be some reason in it, there would be definitely some interesting facts in it if you can tell us the manner of the death of the Tiger King. In this way the royal infant uttered to the astrologers. In this way the royal infant uttered the voice to the astrologers. So this is all for today. Now I am going to summarize the paragraphs which I have taught you today. That Tiger King is so many names is there of the Tiger King. Jamedar, General, Khiledar, Major, Sata, Bigara, Samahari, Maharaja, Dhiraja, Vishwa, Bhuvana, Shamrat, Sir Jilani, Jung Jung, Bahadur, MA, AD, ACTC or CRCK, but he is in short known by the Tiger King. So whenever the royal infant born, astrologers were talking about the death of the Tiger King. They were talking about the future of the Tiger King, that one day the Tiger King will have to die. A 10-day-old child speak out. At that moment, everyone present there, along with the astrologers, will become surprised, were astonished that a 10-day-old child can speak. It's a miracle. The 10-day-old child speak out to the prophets, to the astrologers, that it is he who is speaking about, and he is speaking to the astrologers that everybody will have to die one day, every living creatures will have to die one day. It is known to all, but you the astrologers, you are being the astrologers, you are telling that this much only you are telling, that one day I will have to die. It is not so much interesting. But if you tell us the manner of the death, then it will be, there will be some sense in you. But I think you don't have any sense, because you are telling the general view that everybody will have to die one day. সকলে এদিন মৰিব লাগিব. It's a general view. Tell us that how the Tiger King, how the death will occur to me. In this squeaky voice, the Tiger King replied to the astrologers. This is all for today. Next day I will start from the next paragraph. My dear students, thanking you all. Bye bye. Have a good day.